You're swinging a ball. This looks like
Two,
a planet.
really? I'm
Now,
swinging 2 balls at one time.
What's the difference between a comet and an asteroid?
I gotta stop the swing. Good boys, balls. Come out too.
What's that?
Alright. A comet is mostly made of ice, and a meteoroid is rock, and a comet has a tail, too.
Okay. How big is the sun compared to the Earth?
You could fit a million Earths inside the sun.
Now, how many planets are there in the solar system?
9.
And what's your favorite one?
Jupiter.
How many moons does it have?
63.
63 moons? Wow. I bet you can name some of those moons, but we won't get into that. There's too many moons to name.
Saturn is catching up. It has
There's a lot of moons too.
62 moons.
And then what else? Neptune. What's up with Neptune?
Super strong winds, 4,622 miles from Ceres, and it's mostly the farthest from the sun.
And it rains.
And it has, I think, 23 moons.
What happens when it rains there?
Rains diamonds.
It rains diamonds? Holy cow. Would you rather live on a moon or a planet?
Probably a gas giant on a planet.
Oh yeah, what's the difference between a star and a planet? That's a...
A star is a gas formation known to be bigger than any planet.
Yep, and then a planet is... What's a planet?
And a planet is known to be gas giant or rocky. And a gas giant uses mostly gas.
Right, and what's a gas giant example?
Say example of an ocean.
Oh, well, no, what planet is a gas giant example?
In our solar system?
Yeah.
Neptune, Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn.
All 4 of those are gas giants, and the other ones are rocky planets.
Yep.
Wow. And which one's closest to the sun?
Which gas giant is closest to the sun?
Which planet?
Mercury. It's a rocky.
And it's amazing how hot it can get on that planet. And
It doesn't mostly get hot.
well,
But it has no atmosphere. That's why it hardly ever gets hot.
and then what's that planet we can actually live on if we ever got there?
Gliese 581d.
Gliese. Gliese. Okay.
But it would take more than 55 billion years to get there.
Well, we just need to invent a ship and start heading there. That'd be a good time. All right, well, signing off for now. That's.
Hey, want to see me swing this ball?
And what's the how big is the universe?
It is huge.
Yeah, it's probably too hard to explain that one.
Well, it is more than 5,625, 522, 8,000 microcryson meters big.
That's huge.
A microcryson meter is about as big as this galaxy.
Wow. Well,
And I don't even know how many micrometers it is big.
is it true that donuts came from Saturn?
No,
No?
that's just a funny joke they came up with in 1997.
Oh. Okay, and then what are the rings of Saturn made out of? Last question.
Ice and dirt rock.
Ice and rock. Is
Dirt
it-
rock.
Okay, because everyone thinks it's gas. They're gas rings, but they're not.
They're not gas rings. And they reach millions of miles into space, but they're only a few miles deep.
Wow, that's amazing. And you can see them with a telescope.
Well, no, not very much with
Oh.
a telescope, but you can see Saturn.
You can see Saturn. Yeah, okay. All right, well, again, this is Jack talking planets and solar system and all kinds of fun stuff. Whoa, okay. And I'm signing off.
All right, we could make another video.
Okay.